Hello, my dear crafters. So today I want to do something different. I am not going to teach you anything, but I want to walk you through all the things that I've been working on during the week, during actually the last 2-3 weeks. And all of these will be used in my Valentine series 2024. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you that this is my process. First, I prepare a lot of things, embellishments. I choose my ephemera that I'm going to use, all the papers. I buy everything that I need. I put it together like this because, as you know, all of this takes a long time. Some of these are like shakers, so these are hours of cutting and putting together. But basically, that's what I do, and I'm going to walk you through and help you because I'm sure many of you are looking at your stash right now and deciding what you're going to prepare for Valentine's. But we also know that it's wonderful when somebody else shows us, okay, this is what I'm making, these are the dies or the papers or whatever that I'm using this year, and it gives you a chance to buy what you want. So if you love this, then I'll have the link below to all the materials that I use, because these are all different dies. Basically, these are all die sets. So this is one, this is another one, this is another one. So I just want to give you some options because you may love it and say, I want it too, and you have time to buy them online. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me walk you through all of these in details, and I'll show you the dies as well, okay? So let's move to the first one. So I'll start by showing you, I think it's one of my favorite dies this year, certainly my favorite Valentine's die. I really enjoyed this one. It's a little bottle, and you can make shakers like this one. Look at that. Very, very nice. I'm going to use it. And here is the die. Let me show you now. I have the link below. So it comes for the shaker. You have this part, and this is the back. This is actually a place where you can write a message like I did on this one here. So you can actually, it's like a rolled up piece of paper. It's the secret message, right, that goes inside the bottle. So you can write with your own handwriting, and you have the cork and some embellishments. Very simple die, so very easy to use and very inexpensive. So let me show you another one. I already know what I'm going to make with this die, and it's going to be so cute. I haven't seen anything like it online, so I think you guys will love it. So you can make shakers like these two here, or you can just make, you know, just decoration, some decoration with it. It's great for embellishment. You use your sentiments and you use whatever ephemera you have. Here's the last one that you just saw. So that's one of the embellishments that I worked on all these all week so that I could show you, and you will see it in my projects next week. So let's move on to bows. Look at these bows, guys. Look how cute they are. So, and I have some ideas for you in terms of bows, and I'll show you right now. Something that you can do just to embellish more your bows is to use this one. I don't think you can find it here. That's from Brazil. But you can use pom-poms. Look at this one with the pom-pom. So instead of just wrapping it up with paper, use some more embellishments. Look how cute that is. So I use pom-poms. I use this rose here. So these come with, it's one of those sheets, and it comes with the glue on the back. This one the same. So just use what you have. You go to the crafting stores, you have a lot of stickers. They're stickers, but they're 3D stickers. So you have so many like glue dots with glue. They come with glue dots on the back and enamel dots. So just check yours. Sometimes we just do what the die shows us to do, and I always try to create something new and add whatever I have from my stash. So these are ideas for you, but I think pom-pom is my favorite, to be honest. So this is a great die, and of course all using the Valentine's colors. I will be using this in my Valentine's projects. So all of these have pom-poms because it's really my favorite. And let me show you the gold ones. I love the gold. You know me, I love gold. And I'll show you the dies next. So the die actually comes with this part, and you have this square here, and also the outside, the scalloped outside, this part here. So you can use with or without. I like both. It depends on what you're going to do, but I really like the one with the gold. So the gold, I don't know if I'll use on the Valentine's, but let me show you the dies. Very simple again, and I'll have links if I don't find this exact one, because I bought this a while ago. I'll find something similar for you. There's so many bow dies out there, but that's what comes in the die set. We have that square part. This is the bottom. So this here, and this is what you can use with or without the scalloped part. So you just glue one on top of the other, and that's it. And you have this. This is for here, and this is if you want to go across. So very nice die, something that I will be using next week for sure. And let's move on, and I'll show you some more bows. So here are some more bows that I'll also use. The difference here is that this one is not 3D, so it's basically flat, but it's really, really nice to use and very easy to put together. It's basically two dies, the bottom, and then you put it on the top. And I actually, with this one here, I added some dots with my gel pen, and they come in 3 different sizes. So this is like the large, this is the medium. These are great for embellishments, really. I actually bought 2 sets because then you can cut a whole bunch at once. And this is the little one. So let me just put the one small, medium, the large, medium, and small, just so you see the difference in size. Let me show you the die here, and I'll have the links to all these dies, guys, in the description below. See, I bought two sets here. So you have basically the bottom here, and then you cut the top and you glue them. So 3 different sizes, 1, 2, and 3. So there you go. 1, 2, and 3. That's the small one. So very nice set to have, because this is the kind of die you use all year long. Great for Christmas too, for gifts, for birthday, for everything. So that's something else that I worked on this week, and I'll show you 2 more. Oh, let me show you my heart. Wow, I love that. Now look at this, guys. This is actually an embroidery hoop. If some of you embroidered, you know. So it comes with a few other items. I'll show you the die, but I'm going to use it just as a heart, and it's just different, and it makes a shaker. Look at this one. I just added a sentiment here. I love this die. Absolutely love it. I'll show you everything that comes with it, but you can make something like this, like a die, or just flat like this. And this is the next one that I'll show you. It'll be my last one. It's just some banners with some words. Look at that. So you can make it as simple as this, or shakers, because you guys, I love shakers. So there you are. Let me show you another one that I made with the Cupid thing, the arrow. Life is better with you. I love this one, and this one too. So I use another item from the, it's a pin, because it comes, let me show you the die. The die comes like this. So you have a lot of items that are related to embroidery. So some needles, this thing that uses the thread. It's to pull the thread through, and pins, and you have a beautiful, very elaborate scissors here. So yeah, and you can make a shaker. So that's the base, and you have this to make the shaker. So another wonderful set to have. And the last one is here with the bows, but let me show you. It's just these banners with words. So perfect for Valentine's. Is by KS Crafts as well. This one is KS Crafts. The bows are too, the other ones. So I love that brand, and you can buy it online on Amazon. So you have 2 options. You have either just the basic like this, just the word and a little banner, or you can do it like this with a longer banner. It's like a folded banner. So I really like this one, and I made a few, and I'll be using it for Valentine's. So there you are. So these are all the things that I've been working on all week so that I can have some beautiful embellishments for Valentine's. So get ready for the series. It's going to come with a lot of boxes, treat boxes, cards, you name it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm very excited about Valentine's. Thank you. And never forget to check the playlist because you find items from prior years, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for spending your time with me. And yes, goodbye.